Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karajina. If you're watching for the first time, thumbs up for me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys are welcome. So today we are going to be talking about guys, ladies, and all of that. You understand? Relationship, yes. Marriage, yes. So what we want to talk about today, now be that you understand. You get relationship where you go dey help man. You get relationship where you go dey you no go fit help that man. You understand? It depends on the relationship where you dey. You understand what I'm saying? Most of our girls they get this thing wrong. Nobody say make you not help your man. You understand? But help your man with sense. You understand? Imagine you dey help your man. Maybe your man you never get house. You go do and make your husband get house, make get everything. Now your husband you don't born for am. I turn suck for you. You don't born for am because you dey do am because of, even if you not do am because of that man, you're doing it because of those children. Fine, no problem. But you dey relationship, that man never marry you. You never get house, you never get car, you never get anything. Your family, you never bring them up. You carry money, you dey begin dey give man. Mona wake up. You carry money, begin dey give man wey never engage you. Even if say he don't engage you, engagement e be like handcuff. Especially when he give you that handcuff, he no come marry you. Who DJ go better pass you? You get? So in this man never marry you. You carry your entire money, you go give this man. May take go they take care of your family. May take go they buy car, they build us. Thinking say as you give her that money, go marry you. Most if you check this life all days today, most women where they don't do this kind of thing, men don't leave them. Men don't leave them. Most girls or most ladies or women when we say they don't give men money, you give 1,000 millions, or in the name of say you think say go, not be all men they look back. You get some men where they help, you go look back. Not be all men they look back. Now so see before some women, should they get me so, especially when women go, when ladies go give man money, man will never marry you, you never born for her, you don't even know whether now lay you another man get. You carry your entire money, or in the name of say if you give her that money, you go stay one place. My dear, now go stay one place, go stay one place. Now go love you, go love you. You give her all your entire money, not me say na your place na ain't good day. Sure they get me so. And some women waiting pay me pass. If they help this man, they know they want help themselves. They'll feel as that they help that man. Later in the day, now they are too go enjoy her. You think say that's where it could be. Let me tell you, get some men. After you don't give them that money, your entire money you don't give to that man. Now another woman then will go sit down for that place where you're supposed to sit down. You go they join that man, they enjoy. Because there are some men, just like I said in my other video, not be all men will be say that they follow you, say that they date you, not be really want marry you. So therefore, I don't see any reason why woman will be say get brain. You get brain to make money, you not gonna get brain to arrange that money. You pack on as you they help that man, they help yourself because that man will fuck you up anytime, any day. Because this life yeah, it be. Sometimes if you waka, it go sweet. Sometimes if you waka that waka, it no go sweet you. So you where they watch me, you did that kind of relationship where you say you they use money they buy your boyfriend. As you they use money they entice her. Before you invest, you don't give her money. And you they give. I don't say me you no help your boyfriend. Get boy that they help. Not be your boy that they help. You they hear me so. You go be like say you they put money for inside basket or you they put for where it don't full. You they get me so. Let me tell you. If you want help, I don't say me no help your boyfriend though. You dey hear me because I know someone as be help. I know someone I no help. If you know say you want help your boyfriend, that's what they do. Maybe you want buy bicycle for your boyfriend. Make sure say you don't get car. I don't say me no help your boyfriend because now your boyfriend be like I want to talk now. He be like motto. Let me also call and say boyfriend be like motto because motto now without you not buy for a put motto no go fit move. And it get how you go do that motor reach if it's spoil and you need mechanic. And it get the one will be say you call mechanic go tell you say it's on beyond repair. Where's it come day on beyond repair means when I don't break up, it cannot ever come back to you again. You get what I'm saying? You understand? So therefore, if you want help boy, I not say me you know help boy, but if you want help boy, as you dey help that boy, maybe you want buy car for boy. Make sure say you don't get waiting past car. You want buy house for boy, make sure say you don't get waiting past house. Like even if say you get house, you don't get another thing when you join house. no be say you dey do for boy, because some women sabi dey do this thing o. They'll pack their entire life in the money, they'll give boy, they'll come dey empty, thinking say na all of us go enjoy am. It's not all boy that are ready for that. There are some boys, they just want collect from you, then they will dump you, leave you. That kind of boy, you no fit sweat for am, because he not come to ask you. Now you give am. You get, now you give am. And those ladies, those are most ladies wey be say they never help their family finish. Most of their family, they suffer. You just see girl, you just call boy for phone, you say how much you need, no worry. Now they marry the boy, abi na the boy they marry una. Wetin come pay me pass, girl go dey propose, you go dey propose to man. No be man go come meet you say he don ready, go propose to you. Now women go carry ring. The world is coming to an end. You carry ring, you go dey put for man hand for public. And wetin come pay me pass, man go come reject you for the public. You go even beat yourself. What a disgrace. Abeg una stop am. All those things e no suppose be like that. E come whether na movie una dey use am act o, na real life o, I no believe, because me still dey get that say that thing no be real life. Even if say na that man come remain for the world, does it mean say na you wan come go engage that man? Or you don't get the quality as a woman? See, let me tell you something. I'm not against it that you should not help your man. But when you are helping your man, help yourself. In case if that your man no look back, you go get something when you look back on tomorrow. Like, I wish I not come get to go. Please, you leave me. I get this one, I get that one. You dey get. Not be when you know you'll get, you will be like, you don't know when 419 go play person. How they be for your body? As a 419 go dupe you. Your own money will be say you don't work for your entire life. 419 go your dupe you. As you dupe you, you no come get anything. How they be? If you have experienced what I'm talking about, like for those like 419, then you go know that you just to be like this thing when they like talk about this topic when they like talk about. You understand? It's not all guys that look back. I didn't say you shouldn't help your boyfriend. If you want to help your boyfriend, help yourself. You understand? Giving that does not mean that you too you will not be taking in. You understand what I'm saying? So please, no, they do pass yourself like you want one made for marry you or made for stay by you. No. Now man when go love you, then go love you. Man where they don't use money they buy. Another girl go still come. Money wey you take buy if na 100 naira, another girl go come, go carry 20,000 come take buy for your hand. Ask me where you want for see that 20,000 you want come take buy that man. When be say that one, you can't go borrow now. So man where they don't use money they entice, man where they don't use money they buy. Like say that they buy chicken for market. My dear, that man not be man. Now that man you want to go kill yourself for. Now that man you want to go pack your entire money where you don't make for your entire life, go give. Wetin come pay me pass? Man go tell you say he wan marry you. Say as he wan marry you, so me you carry money come. Me hold the money. You know say na the money, yeah, you go bring come, me hold the money, me that you do marriage. You just wear that one for the happen. Then you will be woman, you to carry your money, you go give the man. Thinking say the man go come meet you for our house. You don't want for do marriage, man and marry. Now you be mumuna. It don't make sense. That man go carry your money, go carry wrong. Please, una we be ladies, una wise. Things are not funny, you understand? But it's getting funny these days. You understand what I'm saying? Man wey go stay by you, then go stay by you. Man wey go love you, then go love you. Wetin pay me pass? Now most girls na spoil, most ladies. Let me just say ladies. Most ladies na spoil those guys. Guys not supposed to be poor for woman money. There's a word my father used to tell me. He say man will be say na woman money na he say want to live. He said that man, may you look your future, you go see say sometimes light go dim, sometimes light go shine. That man not be man. He's not a complete man. He said because you be like man where they beat woman now. It's not a complete man. It's not a real man. When man they talk, man where they beat woman not supposed to talk, because man where they beat woman and a man where not get work. Because I believe say which beat you want beat woman? When be say you yourself you be man. There are men out there where you go fit dig those things with. No women. Okay, where you want naka? Na breast, na nyash, abi na hand. No, it's not a good thing. What are you showing to your family or your kids? It's not a good thing. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, Man, real men, they don't look after what women have. They look beyond. You love this person, that is why you are dating this person. You were not dating this person because of what that person have. Like he get money, he get this one, he get house, get car, now make you the date am. If not because of that one you the date am, my brother, you no love that woman, and you will be woman. If man dey date you, dey look the question wey dey ask you, dey look wetin dey interested on, dey look everything wey dey talk, dey use your brain, dey use your common shade, dey think, dey realize, dey calculate, dey equals to. Because men, some men, once they wan date you like this, they'll first dey ask you, you get house, how many car you get, where you dey, how many family you be. You all know say that man, e dey come make e come carry im own share. E no dey come make e no dey come for your relationship, e dey come make come carry your own share. Imagine man go come meet you, go tell you say how many family you get, how many car you get, your get wey you want, wey you say you love, you want date, you go dey ask how many car you get, how many house you get, where you forget this one, where you forget that one, which name you write. I fear una o. Then you wey be girl, you go true dey answer those things. You no come know the kind point or wetin that person need from you. A man that love you will always talk about love and care and how he go take care of you for the future. He cannot be asking you how many things you have. Like, I don't know whether na business or just think about that as a girl, as a sharp girl. Think say those things, now this man, now they interested of, not the love. Because it's not all guys that need your love. Some guys, they just want to weigh you, how many you will weigh, how much you go feel weigh. Like, this person wey I wan date to, like wetin he don achieve, wetin he get. Because I no fit all dey girl wey never achieve anything because he no get. They say na who no get future, na dey pursue who get future. Because I believe say who get future no go dey look for who no get who get future. You don get future, handle your future well. Na who no get future na go dey look for who get future. If you get future, I wonder why you go dey look for those things. So therefore, please, you love this person. Please don't stop allowing women to buy you with money. Hello, I'll take care of you, I'll do everything I had for you, I'll give you everything you want, and you think say he go gog you, not today, he go gog you. He can entice you because he feels that you are cheap. Men, please don't be cheap for women. He feel that you are cheap. Not dey let women they use money they buy. Man wey they don't use money they buy. In a fish now it can be. Is a dog. You can just go to the market and get a dog if you have the money. So you are a dog because they can use money to buy you. Why not go for a true love? Like you really love this person. And you ladies, your family they hungry for house. They never see food chop. You go they give your boyfriend, not be saying that your husband, you go they give 1,000, 100,000, 200,000, millions. You go they give one, they give your family. And the boy and I go they call you mugu. Go say that my mugu. Maybe you're not banana mugu, one mugu, 297. You go say that my mugu. Maybe the girl where you love, and I get where be say not get shishi, not get anything, I they love it. You now you be idiot. I don't say me no help your boyfriend. If you help your boyfriend, they help yourself. And before you help your boyfriend, look in future. Whether na boy where you go feel help, whether na boy where not be basket, whether na boy where be say you know waiting they be call life, whether na boy where be say you go look back tomorrow say this girl na stay by me. This girl na dey there for me when nobody dey. I cannot leave her. I cannot do things like this. I cannot treat her bad. I will always treat her right. You don't ever observe or look those things. You just want help, thinking say that you can't go man because say na this thing wey they call a magnet. You go call your magnet now only for you. It cannot be possible. Stop using money to buy a man. Why not allow that man to show real love to you? If you use money entice man, you don't enter be that. If another girl still come say how much your girlfriend give you, go say when my girlfriend told me that when me and you come dey give me so money like this, how much you go tell the girl go say that one ain't take dey brush teeth now. A day na ain't take dey brush teeth. He go give you money wey pass that one 10 times. That guy go leave you, go follow that woman. You see, because you have already started it. And most of you ladies, you are the ladies that are encouraging those men. If you girls like stand like no, never, we will never use money to buy men again. Trust me, all men will become normal again. They will become normal again. But you guys don't want to stop. You'll see your fellow girl, go show your boyfriend, say this is my boyfriend. The next thing, 24 hours or 20 minutes later, you don't collect the boy from your hand. Why? How? You just use money and ties that boy. You know good, my sister. when we see something like this, we have to like talk about it. It's not a good thing. Most girls when I don't hear, even if I never see them, but I dey see them for news when the people will just say, we call it talk say, na so him give this boy money, or him born 2 children for am, the boy leave am. Na so him born 3 children, him give am all your money wey him make for so place, he leave am. Na so because of him marry oyibo, money wey the oyibo give am, him give the person, him give the boy, thinking say the boy go marry am, the boy no marry am. My sister, you want me I go help you blame that boy? I no go blame am. I no go blame am. I blame you. Because if you get sense, as that money come like this, you as a woman, amalo bowebake, or magic school, or you not get sense, or you are uneducated somebody, or you are not a learned person. If you not get learned person, go learn. There is still time for you. Money you come like this, you go give man. Why you not use that money invest? After you don't invest, you don't make diggy. You can feed your man, feed yourself. Then you cannot position him. You go fair get. No be who go umbrella the cover person wey no get umbrella. Ha! What for now? Now who get umbrella? Na the cover person. Who no get no go cover person. First save yourself first before you save person. Encourage yourself before you encourage person. No be yo dey you be like as I hear this so that's okay, money don't come, your money you come, I do 1 or 2, you know, money you arrive, your day myself. Then my boyfriend now, me no say, and forget say maybe for instance, maybe the boy he not get, my boyfriend not get like now, my husband not get, then me now, me myself I not fair get. Has that money come, I will know the business one of use and do, I go gain her. Business no be say as I be dey do, I go put the money put. You understand? If you put like half. They ask my husband, say, which one you go see? I say, pull like half. I know you give her everything. That means, what am I going to say? Na liability, they do that thing. You understand what I'm saying? You know if you do anything. At least, if maybe money come like that, you see say the money big, divide it into 2. Make sure say your own part, you go reach you to do what you want to do. The remaining part, give your husband or your boyfriend. Did you get me so? But you don't save your own part because you don't know how tomorrow go be. Even that husband when you want to give that money now, if you say me still use and to go do that business, maybe you give all of them. The business fee for come up tomorrow, or the fee what I'm saying, the fee play and 419, all of now una can't be hungry. Don't do something before you save person, save yourself. You get what I'm saying? So please, you that is watching, if you are doing that, you're in that relationship, all your life, money wey they make now your boyfriend they give. You dey help your boyfriend dey do everything. See here, that boy now never even propose to you, never marry you. You just dey give him all your hair. And you, your family dey suffer. And secondly, maybe they give your family, and you now you not get one business, you not get one company, you not get anything where they work for you, where your own money go for come. In case if that guy go marry another woman tomorrow, you not go to pay you. Say your money where you all lavish on, you not get anything. But that is why some guys go call the talk, say which money you give me, he not do this one with you, he not do that one with you, because you not get sense. Because if maybe you get sense, if that boy they drop your CV, you they follow and they drop him, it go be like so now two they close the same time for lesson. Before boy go tell you say he don't want again, you yourself you don't already make your mind say you too you not still want again. As soon they drop you, they drop your. If they tell you say it's over, you self they say it's over. If they tell you say marriage, you self still ready to do marriage. That's why it be anything. Not be now woman will be say forget about say love. Woman will be say you don't give all your own life to man. If the man tell am say no want again, it go be like person will be say they throw away for dustbin because you not get anything to offer. Why? All your entire life money you don't give the man. Even your property you don't put the man name. You are a loser, my dear sister. Please, man, no love to get love. Nobody, me, I dey love. Nobody will not be love. I have my man. Nobody will be saying no, they love. But love with your brain. No love, leave your brain. You understand? If you want to help man, if you get like 100 naira, give the man 40 naira, you hold 60 naira for yourself. Anything can stop at any time. She they get me so now human being be. If you see person when they say get pass you, or better pass you, but man where they don't use money they buy is not a man. Mark my word. Any man where they don't use money they entice, they don't use money they exchange, they do anyhow. That man call her dog. If you know if you call her dog, call her fish. Because now fish now they use money they buy. Animal they use money they buy. Any woman where they don't use money, this woman will call like this, go entice you money, you run follow. This one will come, you entice you money, you run follow. Why not stay See, nothing like person will love you really. Oh. Love is different from person wey dey use money buy. You cannot go outside and say that prostitute to come and love you. You go tell you say whether you dey crazy, you dey mad. But guy, give me money, make I collect money. You dey get me so. So it's a different thing, you understand? If you want to love this person, love this person. You understand? There is nothing like love oh, because na true love, na God dey bless. Na true love, na things dey multiply. But please stop deceiving people, doing 419 to your fellow human being. You love this girl and he has money. Just because you have money, then you want one or two things just to collect that money. After you don't collect that money, you go marry another girl. You can't leave that girl, or you don't consent that girl again. Those things, it doesn't help. How long will you do those things? So I believe that anything that you are doing that you are not gaining it, or is not encouraging you, or is not making you feeling happy, why are you doing it? Why not stop it? So please, you have to change from your way. If you are doing this, please stop. Okay, it doesn't help matters, you understand? And you ladies, help yourself before you help another. I didn't say you should not help your boyfriend, but as you are helping your boyfriend, be helping yourself. Anything can happen any fucking time. So if you are watching me, this is Karajina TV. You guys are welcome. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. One love, keep us together, be global just like glow, and spread love. One love.